Hello guys, in today's video we'll be discussing about how to influence people and make new friends in your life. In today's video we'll be sharing 5 tips so that you can influence almost anyone in your life. And at the end of the video there's a bonus tip. So watch this video until the last. Without doing any further delay, show real. Tip number 1. You can't win an argument. There's a saying, to get the best out of an argument is to completely avoid an argument. 9 out of 10 times in an argument, people just try to convince each other that they are absolutely right. And if you're trying to influence someone, don't fall into arguments. Even if you win an argument, you will eventually lose. Why? Well, because when you try to win an argument, you will show the other person how inferior they are. You will hurt their sense of pride and you will hurt their feeling. So if you're trying to influence someone, don't fall into argument. Ask yourself whether it's important of your time to argue with someone. An argument will always give you just a temporary sense of victory. Tip number 2. Remembering names. Now, how many times this has happened to you when you ask someone his name and then after some days you just completely forgot his name? Now admit it. It has happened to every one of us at some point in our life. If you're trying to influence someone, try to remember their names. The most important thing for a person, the most important sound in his life is his or her name. So try to remember his name. The best trick by which you can remember anyone's name is just don't ask their name when you first met him. Try to ask their family, try to ask their background, try to ask their hobbies, interests, and try to frame a picture around their name related to their opinions. And the next time when you meet them, you will remember the picture and the name will automatically come into your mind. Third point, giving importance. Gentlemen, understand that the most important basic human need mentally is to feel important. The desire of feeling important is the main distinguishing factor between a human and an animal. This is the reason why people like to showcase their trophies, their results, because they want to feel important. And if you want to influence someone, then you must let them feel important. This works in every aspect of your life. This can be achieved by simply giving appreciation, honest appreciation. Don't criticize anyone because criticism kills ambitions. So don't criticize, give honest and sincere appreciation to everyone. Fourth point, never tell someone you are wrong. If you're trying to influence someone by telling that they are wrong, then you can't influence them. So even if you know that the person is doing something wrong, and if you are trying to influence him, don't say that you are wrong. And if you have the urge of telling someone that they are wrong, then don't use the phrase you are wrong. Instead of that, use the phrase like I may be wrong, which I am frequently, but let's examine the facts again. By telling this phrase, what you will not give a bad impression on that person and you are not proving him wrong. Fifth point, asking favor instead of giving order. If you want people to cooperate with you, don't give them order. People don't like taking order from someone. Instead, frame your question in a form of a request so that people will feel that it's a choice and people will cooperate with you. What this will do, that it will make the other person think that the idea was his or her and you will influence him pretty easily. Gentlemen, the bonus point, the sixth point of today's video is listening. The most important aspect of communication is listening. And if you're trying to influence someone or win friendship, then you must genuinely listen to the other person. Encourage people to talk about themselves and genuinely take interest in other people. Try to understand what are their hobbies, what are their interests, what are their opinions. This is all. Gentlemen, you want to influence people, you follow our 6-step policy and you can influence almost anyone and you can win new friends. Gentlemen, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and what are your opinions on this power of influencing and winning new friends, you please comment it down in the comment section down below. Till then, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.